Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best twin bed set is probably one of the most exciting purchases a young girl can make, transforming her bedroom into a magical wonderland or a cozy sanctuary, and choosing the perfect one involves more than just picking a pretty pattern. It's about finding a set that sparks joy, encourages sweet dreams, and complements her evolving personality, ensuring her personal space is a true reflection of her unique spirit and a comfortable haven for rest and imagination. Number 5. CGK Hotel Luxury 3-Piece Sheet Set. Transform your bedroom into a luxurious retreat with our 3-piece sheet set. It includes a pillowcase, flat sheet, and fitted sheet designed for ultimate comfort. Our deep pockets easily fit mattresses up to 16 inches, ensuring a snug and secure fit for most beds. Enjoy a smooth, tailored look every time. Discover a new level of softness with our silky smooth, breathable fabric. These sheets are cooler and softer than Egyptian or organic cotton, providing unparalleled comfort. Crafted from the highest quality double-brushed microfiber, these sheets offer a lighter, finer touch. You'll love how they feel against your skin. Get the softness and comfort you deserve without the high price tag. These sheets offer incredible value, making luxury accessible for everyone. Enjoy a consistently neat bed with our wrinkle-free design. They are easy to care for, saving you time and effort while maintaining their pristine look. What we like? Experience hotel-quality comfort every night with these incredibly soft sheets. They are designed with deep pockets to fit most mattresses easily and are wrinkle-free for a consistently neat look. If you're looking for that luxurious, smooth feel and easy maintenance, these are the perfect choice for a comfortable and stylish bedroom. What people say? The comforter is soft and the colors are vibrant. The set includes a comforter, 2 pillow shams, and a bed skirt, which is a great value. The fabric is durable and has held up well after multiple washes. Number 4. Linen Market Double-Brushed Microfiber Twin Sheet Set. Get ready for an unparalleled sleeping experience. These sheets are softer than cotton, offering cozy comfort for a sound sleep every night. Unlike most sheets, ours are brushed twice for ultimate softness. Tuck yourself in and drift off to sleep soundly every night. Tired of struggling with deep beds? Our 16-inch deep pocket sheets feature a snug fit design, making sheet changes easy and hassle-free. Designed to withstand pets, kids, and daily life, these sheets are made to last. Enjoy durable quality that stands up to wear and tear for years. Add a touch of elegance to your bedroom with our unique soft floral print. Explore our wide range of colors and sizes to find the perfect match for any room. Sleep with confidence knowing these sheets are Ecotech certified. They are also ultra soft, wrinkle-free, and easy to care for. What we like? Indulge in cloud-like comfort with fabric that's brushed twice for ultimate softness. These sheets feature a beautiful floral print and are built to last with confident durability. If you desire a blend of exquisite comfort, charming aesthetics, and long-lasting quality for your bedroom, this set is an excellent option. What people say? The comforter is soft and the colors are vibrant, making it a beautiful addition to my daughter's room. It's a complete set that includes everything needed for the bed, which is very convenient. The fabric is durable and has held up well after multiple washes. Number 3. Dream Factory Princess Comforter Set. Transform your child's room into a magical kingdom with our whimsical bedding set. It's designed to add a touch of enchantment and coziness to their personal space. This convenient set includes everything you need for a coordinated look. It features a printed comforter, sham, and a full sheet set, all designed to make decorating effortless. Crafted for year-round comfort, our bedding is perfect for any season. It's made from durable, soft microfiber that feels gentle on the skin for a good night's sleep. Enjoy long-lasting softness and vibrant colors that stay bright wash after wash. The fabric is machine washable, making cleaning simple and hassle-free. Give the gift of sweet dreams and a beautiful bedroom. It's an ideal present for birthdays or holidays, bringing joy and a touch of magic to any child's room. These pieces are designed to be versatile. They can be easily mixed and matched with other items from our collection for endless decorating possibilities. What we like? Transform your child's room into a magical wonderland with this enchanting princess-themed bedding set. It includes everything needed for a complete, coordinated look and offers cozy comfort all year round. If you're looking to create a dreamlike atmosphere for a young girl who loves princesses, this all-in-one set is perfect for easy decorating. What people say. The comforter is super soft and the colors are very vibrant. It is well made and the stitching is very neat. The fabric is also very durable and has held up well after multiple washes. The set comes with a comforter, 2 pillow shams, and a bed skirt, which is a great value for the price. Number 2. Trend Collector Unicorn Twin Comforter Set. Transform your child's room into a magical wonderland with this delightful 4-piece twin bedding set. It includes everything you need for a complete and cozy bed. Featuring a vibrant and colorful unicorn rainbow design, this bedding is sure to capture your child's imagination. It's a fun addition to any bedroom. Crafted from 100% brushed microfiber polyester, this set offers exceptional softness and comfort. The material is also fade-resistant, ensuring lasting vibrancy. Keeping this bedding fresh and clean is a breeze. It's machine washable and can be tumble-dried on low, making for effortless care. Looking for a special gift? This charming bedding set is an ideal choice for birthdays, holidays, or simply to refresh a child's room. It's a present they'll love. What we like? Add a splash of fun and magic to any kid's room with this vibrant unicorn bedding set. It's a complete package with a comforter, sheets, and pillowcase, all made from super soft, easy care microfiber. If you want a cheerful, hassle-free way to redecorate a child's room with a popular, eye-catching design, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The comforter is soft and the colors are vibrant, making it a beautiful addition to my daughter's room. The set includes a comforter, pillow shams, and a bed skirt, providing a complete look for the twin bed. The fabric is durable and has held up well after multiple washes, maintaining its softness and color. Number 1. JSD Pink Unicorn Rainbow Kids Twin Sheet Set. Transform your child's bedroom into a magical wonderland with this enchanting unicorn and rainbow twin sheet set. It's designed for ultimate comfort and sweet dreams. Crafted from premium double-brushed microfiber, this bedding offers exceptional softness and comfort. It provides a cozy sleeping experience year-round, keeping your kids cool in summer and warm in winter. Featuring charming printed patterns that spark imagination, these sheets are perfect for fostering sweet dreams. Let the lively characters ensure a peaceful night's sleep for your little ones. This twin-size set includes a flat sheet, a fitted sheet with an extra deep pocket, and a pillowcase. The fitted sheet is designed to stay securely in place all night long. Caring for this bedding is a breeze. Simply machine wash in cold water and tumble dry on low heat. Spend less time on laundry and more time creating memories. Rest assured knowing that this bedding is OEKOTX certified, ensuring it's free from harmful substances. It's a safe and comfortable choice for your child's sensitive skin. What we like? Ensure a snug and secure fit on your mattress with the extra deep pockets featured in this charming unicorn and rainbow sheet set. The playful patterns are designed to inspire sweet dreams, and the OEKOTX certification guarantees a safe and comfortable sleep. If you prioritize a secure fit, delightful designs, and certified safety for your child's bedding, this set is an ideal pick. What people say. The comforter is soft and the colors are vibrant. The set includes a comforter, 2 pillow shams, and a bed skirt, which is a great value. The fabric is durable and has held up well after multiple washes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.